Mom! You're here! We missed you.
Grandma, can I carry your bag?
No. I can carry this one myself.
Welcome home, Grandma. Your room is ready.
Mia, look. Grandma is hiding her bag. Maybe it's a present for us. Or maybe it's something bad.
This food is wonderful. Thank you, dear. Ben, eat your dinner, please.
Mia, wake up. You have to see this. What is it, Ben? Grandma checks that bag every night. Something is wrong. She looks so happy. Grandma, are you okay?
Of course, sweetheart. Why do you ask?
See? She's hiding something. I know it. Maybe she wants to move away and not tell us. I don't want Grandma to go. We need to look inside that suitcase. Tonight.
What is happening here?
I'm sorry, Grandma. We thought something bad was inside.
Oh, my dears. Come here. Sit with me.
What happened? Is everyone all right?
Everyone is fine. I think it is time to explain. These are photos of our family, from long ago. And this gift, I made it for our family party next week. I wanted it to be a surprise. That is why I hid it.
I thought you were sad or leaving us.
Oh, sweet boy, I am not going anywhere.
We're sorry we broke the lock.
Don't worry. We can fix it together tomorrow. There, good as new.
Grandma, can I help with the party surprise? Wow. I love you, Grandma.